Joe, you could be really, really annoying.
Good.
What are you going to do with all this footage?
Today we're off out to the pub for my birthday. Come meet my family and crew. We have Rudy, the parakeet, Albert, the canary, Henry the tortoise. This is my mum Jane, and this is my girlfriend Beth with my mum and dad's rescue dog Beth. And last but not least, this is my dad. So let's get going on our little adventure down to the pub.
Chat about what?
I don't know.
Don't put me on the spot.
So why do you live on a boat? There you go.
Why do I live on a boat?
What do you like about it? Let's put it that
What
way.
I like about it, I can pick and choose neighbours. It's just so lovely being out in the cold. I don't know, I just love it. We're floating along. Yeah.
Is that it? What are you doing?
Getting ready to go to the pub for me dinner.
Right. Does one go down?
Yeah. Good. Yeah. Sorry, Rudy. Do you want to go in and see if you can get a table?
I haven't tried it yet.
Oh, now that we've done.
What is this?
You're going to get on the tiller. Different.
Yeah.
Dustman Dave. Is it cold? Would you like boating though? How's it steer? Yeah. You can start using bow thrusters now. You sure?
Cold out. See? In the fat boat.
Hey?
Happy birthday.
So what is it you two like about boating then?
Nothing. It's freezing cold. I've been to the pub. For a roasty. That's what I like.
And what else? Is that it?
That's
That's
it.
it.
That's it. It's like taking your house on holiday.
Hello, Betty. Hello, Betty. You're right, Betty. Yeah.
Smack me head now.
Hello, Betty. Betty, I'm this side, huh? Stay.
And they're off.
So.
Don't mind me, I'm just going to film the action.
Yeah, you stand more.
Yeah, I'm just going to stand here and film. You're getting a lead stuck around it. Why do you have this long lead? You're a disaster. And the dog's involved. You're going to chuck her up in a minute. Boat dog. Oi.
Do you want to put her inside for a minute then while we do that?
Fill it right up. At least it's right. Maybe we'll walk down with the dog and we'll go in the pub.
Yeah, all right.
Make that funny face. Small.
We're here now.
Aye, Captain, where we going?
Last time I remember there was... Doesn't say you can't go there. Is that
Hey?
Sunday evening as well.
It's boat life. Nice seeing you. Goodbye.
So what are we doing now? What are you two up to now?
I don't know.
We could go over to the pub, but think we've got something to
Yeah.